Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another brand new video. I hope you guys are all doing well today. I do want to talk about Bitcoin, give you guys a little update. What is exactly happening right now with crypto and Bitcoin itself? There is, in fact, some charts that I do want to show you guys as usual for Bitcoin. And guys, we know we are finally in one of the most bullish months, which is October. And I get it, guys, right? We are, what, 4 days? A few days into this month, okay, of October, and so far Bitcoin is down. Okay, so it's not looking like it's a great start right now for this month in October, but understand, guys, as I told you guys many times, okay, I still believe that October or Pumptober is still on track. It's still going to happen, right? I really do believe in the next upcoming few weeks, we will see Bitcoin at least above $70,000, even potentially reaching a new all-time high. Okay, there is potential that we could potentially see Bitcoin at a new all-time high when this month ends, October, right? So I really do believe, guys, okay, that October is still going to happen. I really do believe in the next few weeks will be amazing for Bitcoin and altcoins, okay, not just for Bitcoin, also altcoins, okay, so in general, the entire crypto market in the next upcoming few weeks will be absolutely amazing. Okay, we are finally in Q4, guys. Okay, this is the halving year, and we are in fact in Q4. Okay, and we know, guys, every single time when we are in fact in a halving year, right, Bitcoin halving event in that year, right, and we are in Q4, usually it's pretty bullish in Q4, so get ready for the next 3 months, October, November, and December. But yeah, let me show you guys what is happening right now with Bitcoin, and then we'll talk about, some other things, right? So Bitcoin right now, straight up with you guys, it is not moving. Okay, Bitcoin is still holding strong, pretty much consolidating at this level of $61,000. I feel like it's been a very long time. Like if we go to the weekly time frame here, actually, let's go to the daily time frame so you guys can see that a bit more better. There you go. You guys can clearly see for the past few months, we have seen Bitcoin in that 60K level. Whether it's at 60K all the way to like $69,000. It's been a few months time now, right? It's been literally a few months, right? That Bitcoin has been in this level for the past few months. Okay, you guys can clearly see that ever since we saw Bitcoin going back up to a new all-time high above $73,000. Ever since then, it's just been stuck at this level, right? We are obviously seeing a support level and a very clear resistance, right? You can clearly see that, and we have seen many times that Bitcoin did break the support level, but did bounce back up, okay, to in between the resistance and the support level, right? You can clearly see that. So all I'm saying is, it's been a very long time for us seeing Bitcoin at 60K, in between 60K and all the way up to like $69,000. It's been a very long time. Okay, but understand, guys, all of this will change. Okay, we are literally right at the beginning of a bull run. We know that we are finally in one of the most bullish months for Bitcoin, October, and we are in general right in Q4. And we know, guys, Q4 is a very bullish time for Bitcoin and crypto. Okay, a massive run is coming, and I truly do believe Bitcoin is still on track to reaching at least $100,000 towards the end of this year in 2024, and I will talk more about that. But yeah, Bitcoin today is not really moving. Ethereum still holding strong, just below $2,400. Okay, Ethereum today is not really moving as well. Same with Solana. Solana is actually down slightly even more today, right? It's below $140, $138 right now for Solana. Okay, so Solana has been dropping. Same with Chainlink. Chainlink right now is now below, just below $11. So Chainlink has been dropping a lot as well, right? A fair bit for the past few days. You guys just clearly see that. So the crypto market today is not moving. Global crypto market cap exactly the same as where it was yesterday. Okay, past 24 hours, we're not seeing Bitcoin moving, same with Ethereum, and a lot of altcoins today are not really moving as well, right? You can clearly see that, so I won't go through it for today's video, okay? So everything's still holding pretty strong, just like where we saw it yesterday, okay? So we're not seeing huge movements today at all, guys, right? You can clearly see that. So yeah, Bitcoin window to reach $100,000 by end of Q4 looks very tight. Now, I get it, guys. Okay, I get it right now. Okay, it's not looking too good right now for Bitcoin, right? We're not seeing huge movements for Bitcoin just yet, but understand, guys, like I said, it's only been 4 days. It's been a few days since we have reached this new month of October. We still pretty much have 4 weeks into this month of October. We are still early into this month, guys, right? Understand, okay, there is huge potential. Like I said at the beginning of this video, there is huge potential for Bitcoin to be reaching a new high. A pump is coming, guys. We're going to see Bitcoin breaking that resistance. And once we see a very, very clear breakout, right, from that resistance, it will reach higher. Okay. And when Bitcoin reaches a new all-time high to $80,000 to 90, eventually $100,000 is coming. Okay. Personally, I still believe Bitcoin reaching $100,000 towards the end of this year in 2024 is very, very possible. It's like 90% chance. Personally, I think it's like a 90%, even higher, maybe even 95% chance that we will see Bitcoin reaching at least 100K towards the end of this year in 2024. Now, let's just say it doesn't happen end of this year in 2024. Okay, we don't see a 100K Bitcoin this year in 2024. Then it's gonna happen next year in 2025, right? Early next year in 2025. So understand, guys, 100K Bitcoin is coming. Bitcoin will be in the six figs very, very soon. USD, right? So get ready for that. Okay. So here's something very, very interesting. Okay. Bitcoin whales are buying at a pace never seen before. So we know, guys, a lot of whales out there are in fact accumulating a whole bunch of Bitcoin. New whales, okay, not the old whales, okay, new whales are in fact buying a whole bunch of Bitcoin. And we know, guys, there's a lot of institutions out there, for example, BlackRock. Okay, BlackRock have been buying a whole bunch of Bitcoin almost every single day. BlackRock just themselves, okay, they have accumulated almost 400,000 Bitcoins, almost 400,000 total of Bitcoins, which is crazy to think about, right? And that is just BlackRock themselves. We know Mark Saylor, okay, MicroStrategy, that have in fact been buying a whole bunch of Bitcoin as well. Okay, everyone right now, a lot of institutions out there are in fact buying a whole bunch of Bitcoin, right? They are accumulating, they are stacking because they know, right, this is obviously the time to buy. Okay, this is not the time to panic, sell. This is the time to be the most greedy, right? To buy as much as you possibly can to prepare yourselves for the next upcoming bull run, right? And us retail investors like you and me, we should be buying a whole bunch of Bitcoin. We should be stacking as much as we possibly can right now. And since Bitcoin did recently, a few days ago, have this dip, okay, to 60K, this is obviously a great opportunity to buy. Okay, buy the dip, guys, right? Buy this dip, buy the Bitcoin dip, buy the Ethereum dip, buy these altcoins dip, right? Because altcoins have dropped as well. So this is a great time right now to buy in, guys. Okay, it really, really is to truly prepare yourselves for the next upcoming bull run, right? Because it's going to happen, guys. Like I said, we are already in October, one of the most bullish months, and we are already in general in Q4. So that means one thing: a bull run is coming, right? So prepare yourselves for that. So don't quit before the miracle happens. Okay, and you guys can clearly see Bitcoin halving cycle. So once again, okay, you guys can't really see it, but let me just show you guys right here. So you guys can clearly see the first halving, 2012, Bitcoin skyrocketed right after that first halving event. Same with the second halving, right? The second halving in 2016, okay, we didn't see Bitcoin, pumping straight away. It was consolidating, okay, and then it pumped. Okay, you guys can clearly see that. Same with the third halving. Okay, our third Bitcoin halving event back in 2020. Okay, you guys can clearly see we didn't see Bitcoin pumping straight away, right? But then, okay, it did eventually skyrocket. So understand, guys, it takes Bitcoin a few months' time before it actually skyrockets. Okay, a lot of people are in fact wondering why hasn't Bitcoin moved, right? This time around for this year, for this halving event, right? Our fourth Bitcoin halving event this year in 2024. Why haven't we seen Bitcoin move? It's been a few months now, over 5 months. Why haven't we seen a huge move up to the upside? Well, it takes a few months' time. Just like what Bitcoin did right after the halving events in the first halving in 2012, and the second halving in 2016, and the third halving in 2020. You guys can clearly see we didn't see Bitcoin pumping straight away right after those Bitcoin halving events. It took time. It took a few months' time, and then it pumped. That isn't exactly what we are facing right now for Bitcoin for this time around. Okay, for our fourth Bitcoin halving event this year in 2024, we know we had the halving event back April. Okay, and you guys can clearly see Ever since then, we have not seen Bitcoin move. Okay, and this is completely normal. Understanding that, right? Bitcoin does not pump straight away after a Bitcoin halving event. On the halving day, we don't see it move, right? It takes a few months' time and then it moves, guys. So understand, this is what we all, in fact, have been waiting for the past 5 months. All those times buying. I hope you guys have been buying. All the times buying, DCAing, holding, most importantly, will finally pay off. Because soon enough, guys, we're going to see Bitcoin reaching new highs. Okay, just like what it did in 2020, 2016, and 2012, right in those years. So get ready for a new all-time high, guys. Okay, because it is coming. And as I told you guys, the year 2025 will be a fantastic, epic year for Bitcoin and crypto. Just like back in 2013, that was a amazing year for Bitcoin and crypto. That was actually the first year where we actually saw Bitcoin for the first time ever in Bitcoin history reaching $100. Okay, 2013. I don't know if you guys remember that, but yes, back in 2013, that was actually the very first year we saw Bitcoin reaching a new high of $100 and above. In 2017, that was also a great year, right? That's when we saw Bitcoin reaching, thousands of dollars, over $10,000. It went almost as high as 20K, almost 20K. Didn't quite hit 20K, but almost did, right? And then right back down. 2021 was also fantastic. Okay, I felt like 2021, that's when a lot of people got into, Bitcoin and crypto, just like myself, right? I got in early of 2021. That's when I really took it serious, right? I first heard about Bitcoin when I was in high school, my last year of high school, which was in 2016, right? But I didn't do anything with it because I thought it was a scam. Okay, and then, of course, in 2020, I started to do my research, didn't buy in, unfortunately. And then, of course, early 2021, that's when I started to buy in, right? Like heavily. So 2021, I felt like, yeah, that's when a lot of people, did get into Bitcoin and crypto. And honestly, that would have been a great time to get in, right? To obviously, make that money and, of course, prepare yourselves for the next few years. Because understand, guys, when you're investing into crypto, especially long term, you really want to stick with the basics, right? Great long term assets like crypto assets to invest in is the basics, Bitcoin and Ethereum, especially Bitcoin, right? So yeah, 2021 was absolutely amazing. That's when we saw, Bitcoin reaching over $50,000, tens and thousands of dollars for the first time ever, reaching as high as 69K, right? So this time around in 2025, it's going to be fantastic because this is where we're going to see Bitcoin reaching in the six figs, right? Reaching new highs of 100K to 150 to 180 to even $200,000 to $250,000 to $280,000 to even 300K and beyond. These price targets are very, very possible for Bitcoin to reach next year in 2025. So for all my Bitcoin holders out there watching this video right now, prepare yourselves for next year in 2025 because it's going to be absolutely amazing. And I hope you guys are truly ready for the year 2025 because it's going to be an epic year for Bitcoin and crypto. So get ready for that. Okay, and I want to show you guys this. So it says here historically Q4 tends to be extremely bullish for Bitcoin in a halving year. And that's very, very true. If you guys look, okay, back in 2012, that was a halving year. And then Q4, okay, in that halving year, we saw almost a 100% return. Look at 2016, also another halving year, right? In Q4, it was up over 58%, 58.4%, almost 60%. Pretty bad, pretty good. I was going to say bad, but pretty good, right? Pretty decent, okay? In 2020, right? Most recent halving year in 2020. In that Q4, right? It was up over 100%, 168%, almost 170%, which is insane. So for this time around, okay, this halving year in Q4, we are in Q4 right now, guys. Like I said, okay, what will the returns be for this year? Will it be another over 100%? I think it personally will be. It could be even higher than that. It could be like 200%. We will see, but it's going to be high. Okay, understand that, guys. Bitcoin, okay, this bull run will be the most epic bull run ever in history. Okay, this is going to be a massive bull run of our lifetime, the most biggest one of our lifetime. So get ready, guys, for the next upcoming bull run because Q4 will be absolutely amazing. And you guys can clearly see, right? Yes, we are down over 3% so far. Like I said, we are only 4 days into this month, okay, 4 days, so a few days into this month. But don't you guys worry, okay, because the next upcoming few weeks will be epic. So get ready, guys. And you guys can clearly see Q4 usually for Bitcoin is pretty decent, right? Same with Ethereum, right? Q2 though, look at Q2 for Ethereum and Bitcoin. It's pretty decent as well, right? But Q4 is pretty good as well, right? So Q2, Q4, it's pretty up there. You know what I mean? Those are in fact some decent times for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, and just crypto in general, right? So all my crypto investors out there, get ready for Q4, okay? Because we are finally here. We are literally right at the beginning of Q4, and we know that means one thing: a bull run is coming, and we are in fact in a halving year. Remember that, right? So it's going to be an epic time, okay, in the next upcoming few months, and of course throughout next year in 2025. So get ready for that. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Give thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I will, of course, give you guys updated on what's going to happen with Bitcoin, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, so far Bitcoin is not really moving today, same with the crypto market. So that means it gives us a golden opportunity to buy more, to stack more. This is the perfect time to do all of that, right? So keep stacking, guys. Most importantly, keep holding. If you can't buy more, just hold and let the gains come to you. Do not sell. This is not the time to sell. This is time to stay in the game, because we are in fact about to enter the next bull cycle. Why would you get out now, right? Why would you get out now? This is not the time to get out. This is the time to get in, okay? Stay in the game and let the gains come to you, right? So that being said, guys, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. This is, that's always appreciated. And I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.